And this is Yas. Ano naman to? Ay, tiger. Ay, ang galing.
Hindi ko si Lolo sa uniform ko.
Naka-change na.
Kape ka?
Ulitin ka. Ulitin mo.
Ulitin yan. Hala, ayun ang mga bata.
Sa kabilang bus.
Baho.
Wala ko din ako sa filter. Hindi mo sa filter ka, no? Oo. Sa mga bata ko kasama.
Kalabaw.
Ang kambing.
Kambing, kalabaw.
Parang laki ng kambing.
Malusog.
Lusog.
And
Ang lusog lang.
ito ang kabayo. Ito po pala yung mga kasama ko. Mga kasama ko. Mga kasama kong anim.
Ito pala yung mga kamag-anak ko eh. How are you, my neighbor? Nagulat na ako.
Sino dyan? Sino dyan?
Okay lang sa inyo yung tatlo.
Papakain, boss?
Ipapakain.
Ibabalot din.
Close encounter with the lion. Makikipag-flip-flip pa.
Ay! Ay! Masubuto to! Pabuti!
Nag-enjoy meeting ako with African Lion.
Kasi pa shades pa tayo nalalaman.
Pabailing malaga mo. Pok.
Lion King. Ay, ang Lion King. Name, Coco. Please do not extend your hands or else. Hello, Coco. Hello, Coco. And you is Mayumi. Ay, wow. Pabibo. Coco again. Ang laki. Talagang lalamunin ka nito. Oh my gosh. Paano nila na ano yun? Doon napasok. Siguro maliit pa lang siya, no? Yun ang lion. Ito yung tiger. Minsan nalilito ko sa dalawang yun. Hello, Mayumi.
Hindi na makapag-video. Puno na to. Hanggang picture-picture lang.
papakita ko kayo. Matutuwa yan. Matutuwa ka lang dito yung mga ano mo, pet mo. Di mo pet lover ka? Ay, hindi natin nakita.
Yung 100 naman, inakap ko yun.
And this is Yas. Ano naman to? Ay, tiger din. Hello, Yas.
Morning, ma'am. May nagtayo pa po nag-avail ng live video.
Morning,
ma'am.
Yas.
Ayun, yung gusto mo. Sige po. Sino po yung magtatry, ma'am? Sino po yung magpapakain?
Oh my gosh.
Dumididi na si baby girl. Oh. Oh, sir, hold mo lang. Ma'am, dito ko sa kabila mag-picture, ma'am, para makita mo siya. Hindi, sir, hold mo lang ng proper ito nga, para di maraglag yung chicken. Dinusok mo na, sir, yung grill. Sige, hindi abot ng baby girl ko, sir. Lapit
Pwede
mo na lang, sir.
videohan? Ay, ang
Sige, sir, gusto mo, hindi mo bite niya, sir, ha?
Ay, yung kinain niya.
May dalawa pa, oh.
Si Lolo, Lolo go.
Sir, ah. Yung
Ayun.
laki ng ngiti mo. Oh, sir, last chicken.
Si Lola.
Oh, Lola.
Ikaw na Lola.
Oh, ma'am, ito lang. Oh, ma'am, sit mo lang.
Hindi po si Lola sa nangyatawan ko.
Okay, thank you po.
Nagluluto eh. And this is Nima. Hello. Hello, Nima. Ay, ito. Ito yung magandang color, si Carla. Tiger na tiger yung color niya. Excuse me. Kashmira.
Nabero si Digong.
Saan si Digong? Ang lalaki nila. Maliliit pa lang ba sila? Ginala na sila. Digong. Digong is not happy. Ay, si Ann. Uy, Ann Curtis. Energy si, Ann Curtis,
Dami ang inta.
Souvenirs. Di kainan nga. RF magnet. Parang kakakain lang natin.
Hello, madam!
Magkano po yung mga ganyang ref magnet?
This one, madam, is 100 pesos. Ito po, dalawa 150, madam. Then, ito naman po, opener siya, ma'am. 150 po siya, ma'am. Then,
Yung mga maliliit.
3 for 100, ma'am. Assorted na po siya, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, bestseller namin siya, ma'am. 50 pesos naman siya, ma'am. Hindi yan siya, ma'am. Tag nito parang, ano tawag dito, white?
Engraved laser.
Yes, ma'am. Hindi siya basta mabubura.
Ano yan? This.
Siyempre, ikaw ba naman?
Padaw yung... Saan tayo? Doon tayo sa dulo.
Meeting pa tayo? May tissue ba kayo dyan?
Tulo ko lang po kayo. Last one po. Hamsa po. Tiger pose po.
Ay, wala tahimik. Ay, talaga nga ano.
Eh, wala tayong chicken, hindi lalapit yan. Bababa mo na yung isa.
Yung crispy pa hata, ilabas niyo dyan. Ay, hindi talaga lalapit. Bakit ba dito sa yan, Brad? Bakit sila? Ano to, puro tiger lang o may mga ano to? Tiger lang.
Ano dalawa lang po yung nakawala si Gondo tapos si Jessie po yung
Ah, okay.
Yung isa naman po si Gondo. Hindi po sila pwede magsama-samahin dito kasi mag-aaway.
Dahil pala
nag-away?
nagdala tayo sa Pure Gold. Nung nagdala
Sabi siguro, palit tayo, dyan naman ako.
Pero meron sila mga partner. Wala, meron din.
Meron pong batch na isa, meron po. Depende po sa mga. Basta magkakasama po sila sa mula kap. Pwede po sila pagsama-sama.
Pero dito ba nakakapag-breed pa dito?
Yan na po, dyan na rin po yung breeding area.
Kasi so dumadami sila. Dumadami.
Yung iba po, dyan na po sila na.
Ano ba, paano ba mga anak yan? 9 months ba yan? Di ba?
Parang pusa lang.
3 months. Pero ang anak niya, isang
Minsan tatlo, minsan dalawa.
Ang galing, ano? Nabubuhay naman lahat siya.
Pag tatlo po, bihira lang po mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay man po, may ano, may pong isa na may kapansahan. Tulad po ng mga white tiger po, tatlo po sila magkakapatid. Yung isa po may diferensya po.
Ang dami rin nila. Ilan lahat to?
15 tigers po sila lahat. Rotation po pagpapalabas sa kanila.
Tapos lion,
Yung sa layo, hindi na po kami.
konti lang din.
White tiger po.
Oh, white tiger lang. Sa Avilon meron yan eh. White tiger. Doon tayo sa Avilon. Oh, sa Mig.
Yung mga white tiger po na yan, 3 years old pa lang po.
3 pa lang yan.
Malaki pa po yan.
Wala ba nagpapapicture dito na malapit sa tiger? Walang gano'n. Yung malapit lang. O Ano yung picture, ano, yung sa iba,
Mataas po.
meron di ba? Oh. Tapos kumain yung mga yan, Brad, ano?
Pag ganitong mainit po, medyo wala po silang gana. Yung pag tagulan po, mas aggressive po sila pag tagulan. Kasi sa mga pits po, tiger po yung mahilig sa tubig.
Meron dyan. Ay, wala na pala. Ay, so, Sabit sa sasakyan.
Oo, para kay Beck.
Hindi ko naman kasi ano po ng animal ko. Sabi ito si
Ako
Tiger
kinuha ko yung orange.
Orange? Orange.
Yan. Ayun pala.
Pwede ba dumiretso muna kami sa ano, bago mag-loko-loko animal show?
How much yung print po niyan? 200 per ano, print?
Balik ka doon. Sa main ano kami babalik?
Now guys, do you want more? Oh come on, make it louder. Do you want more? Okay, since you want more, please welcome my buddy and Harry. Can still do it? Again, do you think Harry can still do it? Come on, Harry, show them what you've got. Time to go back. For the next cone, Harry, a little bit further. What an exercise! How about a big round of applause for my buddy named Harry? And now let me share with you how we train our animals here in the park. Training describes the many ways to look after their physical and mental well-being. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward. We do not punish, force, or hurt our animals. And in this way, we build a relationship based on trust. And without further ado, please welcome our African Grey Parrot. And here is Timmy. Hello there, Timmy. Happy morning. By the way, Timmy loves to play basketball. So Timmy, show them what you got. Timmy will pick the ball. Come on, Timmy, you can do it. He is now walking on the table. Come on, Timmy. Now climbing on the ladder. Come on, Timmy, shoot that ball. Everybody say, go, Timmy. Come on, Timmy, you can do it. A little bit further, you can do it, Timmy. What a nice dog shelter. Timmy, watching you makes us sweat. I think Timmy is now ready for the Olympics. And don't you know one thing that we observed about Timmy was that every time he sees a pasta on the ground, he picks it up and tries to save it by putting it on his coin bag. I think Timmy is trying to save his money for his enrichment. Now everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money instead of asking our parents to buy it for us. Isn't it amazing how we can buy the things that we really want out of our extra money? And for those who have their coins or peso bill and willing to give it to our animal friends, you may do that right after the show by putting it in our donation box. How about a big round of applause for our African Grey Parrot named Timmy? Now for more updates and information, you can visit our website www.zoomanitypayment.com or like and follow our Facebook page, Zubik Safari. And this time, please welcome our umbrella cockatoo, and here is Coco. Hello there, Coco. Happy morning. How about a greetings for everybody? Good morning there, Coco. By the way, Coco is our environmentalist. Now we have here two trash bins, the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable bin. Now let's see some demonstration. Coco, pick the paper and put it in the biodegradable bin. How about for the second one? And for the last paper, Coco, come on, you can do it. Alright, now time to close the bid. There you go, by the way, those materials are decomposable. How about for the plastic cup? For the next one. And finally, for the last plastic cup, Coco. Good job, now time to close the bid. There you have it, by the way, those materials are recyclable but cannot be decomposed. Now everybody, think about this. If the animals can, why can't we? So let's now start segregating. How about a big round of applause for our umbrella cockatoo named Coco? And now we are on the next part, which is the Animal Encounter Show, where you will meet some of our wonderful animal friends up close and personal as we tell you more information about them and their unique personalities. And during the show, I will be asking volunteers from the audience to assist, and this is your chance to use your cameras and video cams for an up-close and personal photo opportunity. Okay, for our first animal feature, I will be needing one kid volunteer. I need a kid volunteer. Yes, you Ate, you're raising your hand. Please join here on the stage. But please remove your cap first. Remove your hat. Thank you. Come on, Ate. Please be careful. Okay, since you're ready, please welcome our amazing rescued animal friend. And here is Amber. Where are you, Amber? Come on, Amber. Oh, there you are, Amber. Just relax, Ate. And then hold her like a baby. Go like this. Yum. By the way, this is Amber, our 1-year-old Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies of the crab-eating macaque. They are locally known as matching, or in general term, unggoy. They can be found in Southeast Asia and can live approximately up to 30 years in captivity. And these primates are diurnal and highly social creatures. They have extremely long tail, which is longer than its height from their head to their wrap. Now, Ate, what can you say about Amber? Cute, alright. Have a big round of applause for Amber and of course for my kid volunteer. Thank you so much. You'll be receiving a souvenir from Zubik Safari. Thank you. Okay, since you're ready, please welcome my friend. And here is Bella. Where are you, Bella? Oh, there you are, Bella. Just relax, please, and then put your palms up. You'll now put Bella on your palms. Just relax, okay? Don't worry, we won't find you. Just keep steady, Kuya, okay? Alright, by the way, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. They originated from Australia and they got their name from their throat, which is covered with dull spikes. And don't you know that their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature? At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and develop as a female. Interesting, right? Now, Kuya, what can you say about Bella? Also cute, alright. Now, a big round of applause for Bella and of course, for my brave kid volunteer. Thank you so much. Where are you, Golda? Come on, Golda. Everybody's waiting for you. Oh, there you are. Just relax, Kuya. Alright. By the way, this is Golda, our sandkinyer, also known as the sand parakeets or the Arapinas suspicialis. They originated from South America and can live approximately up to 30 years in captivity. Now, Kuya, what can you say about Golda? Very, very cute. Alright. Have a big round of applause for Golda and of course, to my kid volunteer. Thank you so much, Kuya. You'll be receiving a keychain from Zubik Safari. Thank you. you. To me, in front of you are 3 mysterious boxes. Now they give you a chance to choose which box do you want. In the count of 1, 2, 3. Choose your box. You may now proceed to your chosen boxes. Are you sure with the box that you have chosen? I will be giving you another 3 counts to take. You may switch positions. You can talk to each other. In a count of 1, 2, 3. Choose your box. I think we are pretty much sure with these boxes. And now we are going to open these boxes one by one. But before that, to make it more fun and exciting, you will have to close your eyes. And I'll be giving you a chance to touch and feel what's inside your chosen box. Come on guys, close your eyes. And then ready your hand. No peeking. Okay, ready? Set and touch it. Come on guys, close your eyes. And just relax. Okay, one more time. Ready and touch it. Okay, you may now open your eyes. Now ma'am, are you ready to meet the animal inside your chosen box? Are you ready ma'am? Yes. How about you sir? Are you ready?
Yes!
And last but not the least, ma'am, are you ready to meet the animal inside your chosen box?
Yes, I'm ready.
How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, since you're ready, let's proceed to box number 1. Ma'am, can you tell me what's inside your chosen box? Okay, let's see. Let's open box number 1 in the count of 1, 2, 3. Just relax, ma'am. Keep steady and then put your palms up, po. Ready your hands. It's okay, ma'am. Billy is super friendly. He won't bite you. You can touch him first like this. Okay, now ma'am, you're ready. Put your palms up, po. Alright, by the way, this is Billy, our ball python. They can grow up to 5 feet long and can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity. They are called ball pythons because when they are younger, they roll into balls to protect their head with their body. Now, ma'am, what do you say about Billy? Don't worry, ma'am. All of our animals here are safe, trained, and friendly, so no need to be nervous. Thank you so much, ma'am. But please stand by. We are not done yet. And now, let's proceed to box number 2. Sir, can you describe to us what's inside your chosen box?
Hindi ko alam but it feels like a wooden stick.
Feels like a wooden stick. Let's see. Everybody, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2. Okay, let's proceed to box number 3. Sir, I'll get back to you, so be ready, okay? Now, ma'am, it's your turn. Are you excited to meet the animal inside your chosen box?
Yes.
But first, ma'am, do you have any idea what kind of animal is it?
Porcupine.
A porcupine. Let's see. Everybody, once again, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2, 3. Let's open box number 3. Oh, it's Inky. It's not a porcupine now. So all you have to do is relax. And then put your palms up, and elevate this one. Carefully follow the instructions of our handler. Come Alright, by the way, this is Iki, our red iguana. They can be found in the central and southern parts of America. They can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity. And they can grow up to 6 feet long. Come on, Iki. Now, what can you say about Iki? Amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am. But please stand by. We are not done yet. And now, let's go back to box number 2. So before anything else, who are you with today? Are you with your friends, family, or special someone? Oh, your family, where are they? Family, raise your hand. Hello, guys. Welcome to Zubik Safari. Now, sir, do you have any last words for your family?
Good luck to me.
Oh no, sir, I'm just kidding, but this time it's for real. Once again, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and since you're ready, everybody, for the last time, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2, 3. Let's open box number 2.
Wala, baka nandito sa audience.
Everybody, please stay where you are. Everything is under control.
Python din
Everybody, please help us to find the missing animal. Please search on your seats. Yes, Kuya Mark, have you found it? Is it there? A nice shoe? We're just yelling for a nice shoe. Kuya Mark, one animal is missing. Are you just busy checking for a nice shoe? Oh, come on, let's go back to work. And now, everybody, please feast your eyes on the stage for our Burmese Python.
Python sabi mo.
Okay, guys, whenever you have it, please do not drop or squeeze our animal friend. Alright, by the way, this is Paris, our pearl Burmese python. They can grow from 30 to 25 feet long and can weigh around 200 to 400 pounds. Pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscles to squeeze or overpower their prey. Now, what can you say about Paris? How about you, sir? How does it feel?
Well, kanina parang wooden stick, ngayon sobrang laki na.
And the luckiest among all, Ma'am, you are holding near the head. What can you say about Aris? Is it your first time to touch an animal like this? And I think it's a great experience for you, right? Only here in Zubik Safari. And with that, everybody, please listen to this environmental issue. Now, folks, that you have met some of our wonderful animal friends, now is the right time to talk about them. The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as the ambassador of their own species in the environment, which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat.
Tulog.
Ilang chicken ang nakain.
Parang nanghihina yung katawan ko. Mm-hmm. $150, 20 shots. Pero one ano lang yun. One person lang. Pwede mag-share ma'am. Ay, parang gusto ko to. Gusto ko to.
Try niyo po ma'am sir, mag-enjoy po kayo dito. Bakit po kayo? Bagong attraction lang po ito ng Subit Safari.
Mamaya.
Ulit lang po yung babayaran niyo dito. Pwede na po namin yung balik na gagawin. Nasaan? Ayan o.
Ayan, ito oh. Ito pa lang oh.
Matutulog lang siguro yan.
Tay, gising tay. Tay, may manok ako dito. Philippines tea, isang kilo.
Ayun nun.
Ay, nagpapaano sila.
Makabang na oh. Hindi, naiinitan yan. Kaya nakamuna tayo.
Ay, ayun, gumagalaw yung mata.
Huwag ka sumama ah. Kaya mo na, pipicture natin para ano.
Nasaan siya? Ayan, yung ano.
Yes.
Siya yung nakaaba.
Dapat pala nagbaong na tayo.
Pero itis mo lang kung
My gosh.
hindi sa harap mo.
Asan? Ito oh.
Hala, yan na.
Baka sumasalon yan ah.
Matalon?
Palagi. Ano to, pabitin? Happy birthday, Ate Cora! Say happy birthday, Ate Cora!
Baka naman mo. Oh my God.
Akala ko laruan.
Ha? Ang lapit, no? Hala! Ayan na!
Bakla ka ng tao.
Lapit mo na yun.
Ay!
Nakabait ka na. Isa naman. Si ano naman?
Si Beshi.
Wala na. Ay, ang galing mo bakla.
Hala, naiinis na siya.
Baka pag nasura sa'yo.
Ikaw. Hindi ka active.
Ayaw niya makigulo, bakla.
Ay, excuse me.
Bakla ka lang po. Bakla ka lang po sa rin niya. Bakla ka lang.
Ah, wala na.
Lalaki winner. Ay, galit sa'yo, bakla.
Tawa na tingin sa bakla.
Malaki ka na masyado. Siya naman.
Yung dalawa, nakangangapat.
Kasi naman, galingan nyo kasi next time.
May ano yung
Harmless naman pala yan.
Hindi ba bibigay yun?
Pwede kayo together, ma'am.
Hindi po bibigay.
Iuwi mo na daw pagtapos.
Uy, Diyos ko. Ang lapit ng...
Sige po, basta po sila na.
Dalawang line po na matatangkad sa likuran.
Oh, dito na, game.
Yan, yung mga cake po sa harap po.
Cute daw.
Hello.
Girl, lika dito.
One camera lang, ma'am.
Pasok ma'am.
Sige po, basta po sila.
Plano? Kasi ano to? Clark. Subic Day. Ay, Subic Airport. Yun eh, may airport. Yung una ko na lang. Wala na ata yan eh.
Ilang book card lang? Asa na pala isa?
Hello po.